When we use a freezer, we should clean it every few months. Warning: defrost when the ice becomes 1/4 inch, 6 mm thick. Never use a sharp or metallic scraper to remove the ice and frost, as it may scratch the inside of the freezer compartment and damage the cooling system. Solution: Step 1. Turn the temperature controller to off or main position and unplug the freezer from the power supply. Step 2. Take out the food from freezer and put it in insulated container like a cool box or in a thick-walled cardboard box in a cool place. Step 3. Remove the interior drain hole cover from the inside of the freezer. Defrosting usually takes a long time. To defrost faster, keep the freezer door open. When defrosting, please use a defrosting shovel or plastic tools. Do not use a heater to speed up the defrosting, because this may damage the compartment liner. Step 4. To drain the meltwater, place a tray under the outer water outlet. Pull the drain plug out. There is an arrow on the front of the plug. Turn the drain plug until the arrow is pointing down. Pull the drain plug out until the drain hole is exposed. After the water out, push the drain plug in and turn it until the arrow is up. The meltwater in the freezer can drain from the hole into the tray. Step 5. When the compartment is empty, wipe the inside of the freezer compartment with a soft cloth. Push the drain plug in. Step 6. Install the interior drain hole cover. Step 7. Check the power supply and power on. Reset the temperature controller to the desired setting. If your freezer has a super freeze function, switch on super freeze function. Step 8. Put food back into the freezer.